Alright, so it is about 79 degrees outside right now, as you can see. If my camera will focus. Doesn't need the focus. And the 2005 tempstar is running. It has been running for about, I'd say, 2 hours now. And let's go ahead and check the thermostat to see if it dropped. Nope. It seems to be cooling, but it hasn't dropped since... What?
You can't record while I'm playing music. You're gonna get copyrighted.
I didn't know you were playing music.
You have it right here. Whatever, just go. Finish.
So it hasn't dropped the temperature since it kicked on. It's been 65 ever since. It seems to be blowing cold. And I'm going to check the outdoor unit just to make sure it's not freezing up. There she is. 2005 tempstar. Doesn't seem to be freezing. But it has been running for about 2 hours now, and the compressor is running, so that's very good. There's the return vent.
Hi. I'm good. How are you?
It is 70 inside, and that hasn't dropped either.
Nothing much.
It's still 65.
Yeah.
Seems to be blowing cold. It just probably needs a new charge, which it needs every 2 years, but it hasn't froze up yet, so that's a good sign.